Welcome back to Chimney Myths. In part 2, we're clearing up the confusion between gas-only and wood-burning fireplaces. Hi, I'm Eric, owner of Advanced Chimney Cleaning here in the Temecula Valley. Today we're going to talk about identifying your fireplace so you can tell whether it is a wood-burning fireplace or a gas-only fireplace. We have both in our area, and there's a lot of confusion as to which is which. So hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to determine whether your fireplace is in fact a wood-burning fireplace or a gas-only fireplace. Homeowners sometimes mistakenly think their wood-burning fireplaces are gas-only, which can stem from receiving incorrect information during the home buying or inspection process. This gas line right here is made for attaching various types of accessories to your fireplace. It can have a log lighter like we have here, or it can have something like a gas log set or fire glass installed as well. To properly identify whether or not your fireplace is wood burning or gas only, you'll need to identify where the data tag is at. The data tag is typically located behind the screens. In this case, we can see that this fireplace is made by a company called Heatilator. If we read further through the fine print, we can find a sentence right here that says fuel type, wood only. That's a very clear indicator that this is in fact a wood burning fireplace. We're out here at Cal West Resort Living in Murrieta. We're going to take a look at their gas fireplaces inside. They've got a lot of nice units. So let's go have a look and see what they got going on in there. Come on, let's go. Cal West is great. They have beautiful displays, amazing service, and high-quality brands like Mendota, Enviro, and R.H. Peterson. Their showroom is constantly evolving. I always enjoy my visits here. Gas fireplaces are remarkably easy to use. Most of the time they have a wall switch. Sometimes they have a remote that you can use to turn it on with, such as this one. Simply push it on and the fire will come to life. If you have to use a match or a lighter to light your gas log set, more than likely it was a fireplace that was converted, not a gas only. As you can see, gas fireplaces provide consistent heat and are very user-friendly. If you're still unsure about your fireplace after watching, contact us for an evaluation and inspection of your unit. Proper identification ensures safety and efficiency. Thanks for watching Chimney Myths, and stay tuned for more tips and information. Big thank you to Cal West for opening their doors up to us today. Thank you.